Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to eat protein powder for weight loss, updated. Mix 1 scoop with 250 ml water or unsweetened almond milk. Stir or shake for 30 seconds and drink within 30 minutes after workouts or as a meal replacement. Track calories and prioritize whole foods. Aim for 20 to 30 grams protein per serving and adjust portions to your daily calorie target while staying hydrated. Start by estimating your daily protein needs, then split protein powder servings across meals to meet that total comfortably and sustainably. Use a shake as a snack or post-workout boost, not a constant replacement. Include fiber or healthy fats when needed to feel full, and monitor weight and energy while adjusting scoops to reach your calorie and protein goals without compromising nutrition or satisfaction. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more weight loss tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker can bring your kitchen to life with timers, music, and hands-free recipes, which makes making shakes easier and more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For tasty shakes, experiment with thickness and flavor using low-calorie ingredients and small fruit portions. Blend with ice for creaminess. Use spices like cinnamon, add unsweetened cocoa, or swap water for cold brew coffee to boost flavor with minimal calories, and always check the label for added sugars or fillers. Keep servings consistent and enjoy variety so your protein routine stays satisfying and easy to maintain over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.